Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm inside our new warehouse, a whole 200 square meters of it. So in the previous video, the previous Takealot video, you guys saw that I was complaining about returns. So the main reason for getting a warehouse was actually the returns. Every month we were getting like 50,000 rands worth of returns in cost, and we were just piling up in my room, piling up in my colleague's room. We had no space to go through the returns, to dispute the returns whatsoever. We're just letting it go. Now it just piled up. So now hopefully in this warehouse we can actually process returns properly. Whatever sellable stock, we resell it, and whatever somewhat damaged or something, we can mark it down and sell it on Facebook, Pop Shop, or those kind of things. But for now, let me show you guys the warehouse. Let me give you guys a warehouse tour. So obviously, no warehouse is complete without this big shutter gate for container trucks. One day in the future, inshallah, one day, then you've got your main entrance over there, and your, I don't know what you call this, a mezzanine. But yeah, I offloaded some stuff from my house. This is not the Takealot returns. This is just some random items. Like, I've got so much space, why not? There are some counters from my old shop, and then 75-inch TV at home. So why not keep the box here? Let me give you guys a tour actually. I've got your kitchenette type of thing, if you want to call that. You've got your bathroom, you've got your shower. The lease agreement did say that you're not allowed to stay here. I mean, we're gonna pull 1-2 nights if you're working extra. Pull 1-2 nights over here. Obviously, clean this place up and then head upstairs. The nice thing is it's carpeted floors. You know those office area carpets? I don't know how easy they'll be to clean, but they do give a warm feeling. It is winter right now, so that's nice to have. And here we've got our main office. Gonna put a couple of desks over here. What couple? Maybe 2 desks and 2 PC setups for me and my colleague. It's 2 of us right now working on this Takealot thing. And like I said, 50,000 rands returns every month is hitting us. So why not get a warehouse where we can recover some of those funds? Hopefully, well, not hopefully, I'm pretty sure, inshallah, that from that 50,000 rand, whatever funds we recover will pay off this warehouse. This wahouse's monthly rent. And then here's your other bathroom upstairs. There is not very tall. And then the downstairs one had a shower, built-in shower. This was just a toilet. Let me give you guys a view from the top. Nice natural lighting. We won't need to be switching that on unless you're working at night, of course. Our plan is to work, from 10 o'clock to like 3-4 o'clock, just, yeah, not more than that, because then it becomes a 9 to 5. I mean, in doing your own business, it is more than a 9 to 5, but like I'd rather work in the comfort of my home if I'm gonna work late. So yeah, that's the warehouse. And in terms of rental, this warehouse costs around, excluding water and electricity, everything else inclusive, around 14,000 rands per month. So that's about 55 per square meter. That's the going rate. I mean, that's pretty decent. If you go to areas near Ormonde, Gold Reef, there you're gonna pay quite a bit more. I won't tell you where this area is, but it is in a secure place. And yeah, looking forward to loading this place up and getting to business. See you guys in the next video. You guys are gonna see me with a load of returns. See you guys in the next one.